Thank you for joining us. Subscribe to our channel for the latest technological information. In this video, we will cover XAI founder exits. Igor Babuschkin, co-founder of Shy, has left to start Babuschkin Ventures, a fund supporting AI safety and alignment. He played a key role in building XAI's training infrastructure and the Memphis supercluster. Chai Discovery raises $70 million. Biotech startup Chai Discovery is scaling its AI antibody design platform, Chai-2, which achieves up to 20% hit rates, a big leap from traditional labs. The goal: faster, cheaper drug development, including treatments for rare diseases. DJI moves into home tech. Drone maker DJI with a $900 smart vacuum in China, featuring drone-inspired navigation, local data storage, and a built-in security camera. It marks DJI's move into premium consumer tech. Frugalpac raises £5 million. UK startup Frugalpac is expanding production of its paper wine bottles, made from 94% recycled paper, and cutting carbon emissions by 84%. Over 3 million bottles are already produced, with plans for 22 assembly machines by 2029. AI chat assistant gets $8 million. Former Google engineer David Petru launches Continua, an AI agent for SMS, iMessage, and Discord that helps manage group chats, set reminders, run polls, and coordinate tasks. NASA targets a Martian internet. NASA will buy communications as a service to relay Mars data, with Blue Origin, Rocket Lab, and SpaceX racing to provide the first commercial network. OpenAI restores ChatGPT models. All older ChatGPT models, including GPT-4o, are back. GPT-5 Thinking now offers 3,000 weekly messages for Plus users, while GPT 4.5 is shelved due to energy costs. Q.ANT raises €62 million. German startup Q.ANT is building light-powered AI chips with up to 30 times higher energy efficiency, using thin-film lithium niobate. No water cooling is needed, and the chips work with standard programming stacks. Anthropic trains AI vaccine. Anthropic is experimenting with a safety technique that exposes AI to small, controlled doses of harmful traits, so models learn to detect and block toxic behavior. Vulcan Elements challenges China. Vulcan Elements is building a rare earth magnet plant in North Carolina, producing DFEB and SMCO magnets for EVS, wind turbines, and robotics. A small 18-person team already runs the pilot line.